Today I'll be talking about the product rule of an exponent. So for any base a to the exponent m multiplied by the same base a to the exponent of a different number n, we can just add those exponents together and get base a to the m plus n. So to take a look at this, we can look at an example. So if we have 2 to the 6th times 2 to the 3rd, what is that going to do? So we know that we have the same base of 2, and we can follow our exponent rule here. So we have same base of 2, and we're going to just add our exponents together. So we're going to have 2 to the 6th plus 3 equals 2 to the 9. So what's really happening here is an exponent is simply just this number multiplied by itself this many times. So what we have for 2 to the 6th is 2 times 2 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's. And then for 2 to the 3, we're just multiplying 3 times. And so what we can do is, since they're all just multiplying, we can add that up 7, 8, and 9. So that's how we get 2 to the 9th. So taking a further look, we can do a number like -5 to the 3 multiplied by -5. Well, we know that -5 and -5 are the same, so this works. So we can also write this as just -5 to the power of 1. So what we can do here is follow our product rule of an exponent, and we can just do base of -5, 3 plus 1, which is going to be -5 to the 4. And finally, we can look at if we have a to the 4th, and we multiply that by b to the 5th, can we use our product rule? Well, we see that our bases aren't the same, so we can't use our product rule. So only works for if the base of our two exponents are exactly the same. Please follow and like if this was helpful, and let me know if there's anything else that you would like to learn.